She didn't leave because you failed her. She left because you forgot yourself. This is the story of the moment he stopped chasing and started building. At first, he begged for her to stay. He sent long messages. He blamed himself for everything. The regret almost destroyed him. Nights were long, and every morning felt heavier. But something had to change. Because pain wasn't going to disappear on its own. One night, he looked in the mirror and asked himself, are you living or just existing? And in that moment, he chose discipline over comfort, action over excuses. Days turned into months. No texts, no calls, just silent progress. And when the world forgot him, he built a version they could never ignore. She wasn't the loss, she was the lesson. When you love someone more than yourself, you lose both. If you're tired of feeling stuck, if you're tired of regret, it's time to choose yourself. Hit subscribe. Your transformation starts today.